this is the tutorial to learn how to do a nice winged eyeliner. This is something really easy to make your look get a little bit something extra. The first thing that I recommend is definitely using a gel or a pen eyeliner. I'm going to be using this Amazon knockoff Docolor. It's pretty cheap on Amazon. I can leave the link below. It's waterproof and it's really easy to work with. The felt tip marker makes it super easy to work with. I always start by taking it lightly on the lid, just a little bit at a time. You can always make your look more dramatic, but you can never go back. And one thing that is definitely easy is making sure that you're sitting at a table and you have a mirror in front of you, and you can put your arm right down on the table to give you a little bit of stability so that you're not like shaking around. So when I do a wing, I kind of eyeball where I want it, and then I start and just do like one fluid motion. See, just one stroke, and then you can kind of fill in as you need to. So this is just a nice little baby wing. And then do crazy. If you're a person who feels like they just don't have a steady enough hand, you can definitely try and use the Scotch tape trick. I'm gonna try this for the first time right now. We'll see how it goes. And it gave me a pretty good wing. So definitely Scotch tape trick. As you can see, there's a little bit of eyeliner that I kind of got on the tape, but it didn't matter. And then you can go ahead and fill in the rest. So there you have it. A way to kind of hack your wing or do it freehand. So if you want to learn how to apply mascara flawlessly every time, then stay tuned for the next video in the series.